Creating a boundary from a KML file. First, open the field menu icon. Start a new field. Name the field. Click the check mark. Go back to the field menu icon. Click Boundary. Here you can open Google Earth. If you're in simulator mode, you'll need to find the field by yourself if you haven't entered sim coordinates yet. Pick either polygon or path. I'm going to pick polygon for this instance. You can check the measurements of your field to verify once you've taken it into AgOpenGPS. Click OK. Here you'll see the field polygon that you created. Right-click on it, save place as. Make sure it's saved in your AgOpenGPS fields folder, and make sure it's a KML file, not a KMZ file. Click Save. Go back to AgOpenGPS. Click Field, Boundary, the plus icon, KML, and KML. Here you'll see the KML file you created. Open that. Click the check mark. That's how you create a boundary from a KML file.